I'm going to make a veggie burger in my Dash Mini Griddle. I have this box of veggie burgers. This is from the Dollar Tree, so you get 2 veggie burgers for $1. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. It says 100% vegetarian, all natural, no preservatives, no artificial colors. I like these because the ingredients are pretty clean. They are potatoes, vegetable oil, which is palm oil, carrots, green beans, corn, bell peppers, onions, salt, green peppers, sugar, ginger, cellulose gum, spices, citric acid, turmeric, and mustard seeds. So the only iffy ingredients are cellulose gum and spices. The gum is probably acting as a binding agent, and spices, you never know what they could hide in there. When I have contacted companies about, well, what exactly are you using as spices, they say it's like a proprietary blend that they don't want to disclose, but ingredients like MSG can be hidden in spices, so that's why I'm always wary of that in the list of ingredients. I prefer that ingredients are completely identified. But anyway, I'm going to open this box. I'm going to heat one up in my mini griddle. This is what they look like. They're almost like a potato cake. The griddle's nice and hot, and I'm going to let it cook there for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and let's check on the veggie burger. Yeah, that looks really nice. It's nicely browned. I'm going to unplug the mini griddle. There's no on-off switch, so I have to unplug it. And I have my hamburger bun waiting. I'm going to flip it over. I just flipped it over so we can look at the other side. The other side is nicely browned. I'm going to add some pickle relish, some ketchup, and I'm also adding a tomato. This looks so good, and it smells so good. I wish I had some lettuce, but I don't have any lettuce in the house right now. Look at this awesome veggie burger. So the veggie patty costs 50 cents, and the buns are 8 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So that makes them about 13 cents each. So this veggie burger cost 63 cents. Let's just round it up and say it cost 65 cents. This is so much better than anything I'm going to get at a fast food restaurant, and it's cheaper too. Let's taste it. It tastes really good. It tastes nothing like a hamburger. So this is not one of those veggie burgers that are trying to be a hamburger. It's not. It's just trying to be a veggie burger. And it tastes really good. The texture is really soft because it's made from potatoes and softer vegetables. It's not a firm texture, which is okay. I don't really care about that. What I would like is more crispiness on it. So maybe the next time I make it, I would cook it for 8 minutes instead of 5 minutes to let the outside get more browned and crispy. But it's really good. And this totally hits the spot right now. It's a really nice light lunch or snack. This would also be good with some mayonnaise, maybe even some mustard if you like that. Maybe some hot sauce if you like spicy flavors. I just used what I had on hand, but it's really good. And it was really easy to make in my Dash Mini Griddle. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.